Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming account type and signing into the web client so you have full recovery tools available. Once signed in, open trash and archive folders immediately. Many providers keep deletions for 30 days. Make sure to disable any sync apps temporarily to avoid overriding. If you use multiple accounts, pick the exact account where contacts were deleted. This prevents cross-account confusion. Now navigate to Contacts or People section. This is where the recovery options live and where we begin restoring entries. Next, use the provider's recovery tools. Find Recover Contacts or Restore in Contact settings because these restore full snapshots from earlier dates. Once there, choose the snapshot date before the deletion. This reinstates multiple entries at once. Make sure to export current contacts as a CSV first so you can compare changes later. If the provider supports an undo button immediately after deletion, use it for fastest recovery. After restoration, review restored entries for duplicates and conflicts to tidy up. Finally, merge duplicates and check each contact's fields to ensure accuracy. Inconsistent sync can create duplicates. Once done, re-enable device sync so phones and apps update from the server copy, and make sure changes propagate. If restore options failed, export any remaining lists and try importing a local CSV or vCard backup, or contact provider support for a server-side recovery request. One key troubleshooting tip. If contacts don't reappear, sign out and back in, clear browser cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.